So here's how to add contacts to WhatsApp on your mobile device. So first you want to open WhatsApp and then you want to click on the plus icon right here. Then you want to click on a new contact and then you want to give it a name. So for example, test. And you want to give it a last name if you want to, and then you want to enter the contact phone number. You can also select the country and then you want to go back and click on save. Now after adding the contact, you should go back and then press on the plus sign at the bottom here. And then you can simply search for your newly added contact by name, or you can scroll and find it, then click on the contact and it should open up this chat window. Now, if it's not already in WhatsApp, it will prompt you to send this message so that the other contact can download WhatsApp and use it. Otherwise, you should be able to send messages directly if it's using WhatsApp. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.